Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super useful SharePoint feature that's going to save you time and keep you in the loop. The title says it all. How to set alerts in SharePoint for other users in 2025. Whether you're managing a team project or collaborating on documents, setting alerts for colleagues can ensure no one misses critical updates. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your SharePoint site. If you're new to this, head over to office.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're in, navigate to the specific site, library, or list where you want to set the alert. For example, if it's a document library, click on it to open. Now, here's the key step. Find the item or folder you want to monitor. Hover over it and look for the ellipsis, those three dots, or right-click to bring up the context menu. Select Alert Me from the options. This will open the Alert Settings page, where you can customize everything. In the Alert Settings, you'll see fields to specify who gets the alert. That's right, you can set it for other users. Type in their email addresses or select from your organization's directory. Next, choose what triggers the alert, like when an item is added, changed, or deleted. You can even set the frequency, such as immediate notifications or daily summaries, to avoid email overload. Don't forget to fine-tune the details. Pick the delivery method. Email is the default, but check if your setup supports other options like text messages. Once you're happy with the settings, hit OK to save. SharePoint will now send alerts to the designated users whenever the conditions are met. To make sure it works, test it out by making a small change to the item you've set the alert for. You should receive a notification shortly after. Remember, in 2025, SharePoint has some cool enhancements, like better integration with Microsoft Teams, so keep an eye on those for even smarter alerts. There you have it, a straightforward way to stay proactive in your workflows. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.